Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I will once again do some macro photography with my Raynox DCR-250 and today's theme is textures. So let's get started.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm in the mood for more macro photography and we are going to click textures today. Nature and the macro world is full of textures. So let's go find them and click them. Settings, I will use my Nikon D5300 with my 7300mm kit lens, and I will attach my Raynox to it obviously. I will also use an external flash with a trigger so that I can get proper exposure and light on my images. Aperture will be high around f16, ISO will be the least 100 or I may raise it to around 250. Shutter speed I'm not going to worry about it much because since I'm shooting in aperture priority mode and I have a flash to balance my exposure, I'm not going to worry about the shutter speed. Matrix metering, white balance will be auto, and with these settings, let's start clicking.
Let me place the flash above the leaf and click a picture. This time I will place the flash behind the leaf so that the veins of the leaf really stand out. Sprinkling some water on the leaves for some depth. Going close to a flower to capture the texture of the petals. Some more flowery textures. Trees give me interesting textures too. This leaf is so big and can give me some very cool textures. Food has great textures. Life is full of textures. If I mix some oil in water and photograph this wonder with the flash, wow, it is a whole new world on its own. Same way, let us mix some soap in water and click the foam. Spraying some water on a plastic sheet.
So guys, it was a lot of fun finding these textures and clicking them. If you liked my video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Raynox tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.